Novear. Today we will be learning about the grid method. We did a video about the US standard method. That was that was old. Let's come here into new fashion. So we know that we did this one like this. 3 times 5 is 15. We put a 5 here, and then the one extra one stays here. And then 3 times 0 equals 0. And then we put the 1, 0 plus 1 equals 1. And then there's no 10 with the 1 because it's just 1. So we just do 3 times 1, which is 3. So we put the 3 here. And then we add a 0 because it's the end of this and there's a second number. Then we add a 0 here. So 2 times 5 is 10. 0, 1. And then 2 times 0 is 0. So then we add the 1, which is 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2. We add these ones together and it will be 5, 1, 4, 2. Okay, so now that we did this one, let's move on to this one. Well, as we can see here, it has the same numbers, 105, 203. We're going to multiply them in this grid chart. So we will start with 2 times 5. Like, we're going to do this. We start from, not like in this one, we start with the 1s. In this one, we start with from here to here, so from 10s to 1s. So we're going to do 2 times 5, which is 15, right? No, it's 10. So we put the 10 here and the 1 here. There are 0 1s, 1 10. So we're going to now do 2 times 0. 2 times 0 is, we all know, it is 0. There are 0 10s and 0 1s. So 2 times 1, that is 2, right? We're going to put a 0 here and a 2 here. You're wondering, what does this 0 stand for? Well, it stands for the 10s. 10 is here, and then 1's on the bottom. 10's at the top, 1's at the bottom, like when we did 10, 1 10 0 1s. And here there's 0 10 0 1s, 0 10's 2 1s. See? So now we'll move on to the second row. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 10, 5 1s. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 10s and 0 1s. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 10s and 3 1s. Now that we filled the chart up, what do we do next? You might be thinking that. Well, it's actually like this. So we add them up, but not like row by row. See these lines? You add from these lines. Like, so in this line, you start from right to left, like everything. You start with this one. The most to the right. So this one is 5. 5 plus nothing equals 5. So we're going to put a 5 right here. 5. And then 0, 1, and 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 equals 1. So we put it in the second space. 5, 1 so far. So 5 1s in 10 and 1 10. And so we'll add this one. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3. So 0 is nothing. So basically 1 plus 3, 4. And then 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 2. And then 0 plus 1 equals 0. So when we put them together, 2,000, comma, 415. Sorry about that. Clumsy. 5. And as we see, they're both they are both 2,415. So this works as good as this one, but on big ones, like I'm going to show you right now, it's faster. So let's go into the 3 by 3, not 3 by 2. 300 by 300. Ah, perfect. Okay, now we're done with it, we can do the new problem. So 235 times 146. First we'll do with the standard algorithm. 5 times 6 equals 30. 0 and 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 plus 3 equals 21. And then the 2 right here. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14, 0 and 0. So now 4 times 5 equals 20. 0, 2. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14, 1 here. And 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So 9 right here. And then that's 0. And then add the 2 zeros. 1, 2. Oh yeah, no. It's only 2. Yep. So we're doing 1 now. 1 times 5, 5. And 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 0. So we're going to add these together. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 8, 13. Then 1 here closest to 10. So 10, 11, 14. So 14, 1, and 3, 0. So the answer is 34,310. Now let's do it on the grid. So, as we know, we're going to start with 1 times 5, which is 5. 0 times and 5 ones. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 times and 0 ones. And 2 times 1 is 2. 0 times and 2 ones. 2. Okay, now 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We'll put the 2 here and 0 here. 2 times 0 ones. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 ones. 4 times 2 equals 8. 0 tens and 8 ones. Now 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 3 tens and 0 ones. 6 times 3 equals 18. 1 and 10 and 8 ones. 6 times 2 equals 12. 1, 10 and 2 ones. So now that we filled it up, we add 0 plus nothing equals 0. And then 0 plus 3 plus 8 equals 11. 1, and then the other one. Okay, now that we got 11 on the other one, we'll do 5, add the 1 to the 5, which is 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. And 11 plus 2 equals 13. We'll put the 3 here. And then the 1 will go here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. We'll add the extra 1 to the 3, which is 4. And then the 10 plus 4 will equal 14. 4, and we'll take the extra 1 and add it to the 2, which is 3. And then 0. So we'll put all these together. 0, 3, 4, comma, 3, 1, 0. 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 3, 1, 0. So, yeah. Okay, so now that we learned the grid method, you could study it very hard. Because next video, I'm going to do some homework for you. So be prepared, study hard. And this weekend, we will be celebrating Halloween, because Halloween's the 31st. Hope you have good time trick-or-treating and having a good time and getting a lot of candy. Hopefully you get like a lot, because who doesn't like candy, right? Yeah, right. So, see you next video. Bye.